In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your Google Ads campaign in 2025 with a full guide that's packed with real results. If you're looking to refine your advertising strategy and get the most out of your budget, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. To start off, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google Ads. If you're unfamiliar with it, Google Ads is an online advertising platform designed to help you reach new customers and grow your business. Once you're on the page, your first step is to click on the Sign In button. This will take you to the Google Ads homepage where you can manage and optimize all your advertising campaigns. Once you've signed in, you'll find yourself at the Google Ads home. This is your control center where all the magic happens, from designing ad creatives to tracking performance metrics. Now direct your attention to the left-hand menu and click on Admin. This section is crucial because it's where you'll access all the essential tools and settings needed to fine-tune your campaign. After accessing the admin section, you'll want to click on Account Settings. This area is vital for ensuring that all aspects of your account align with your advertising goals. Adjusting your settings correctly can significantly influence how effectively your campaigns run, so take a moment to look through each detail. Now navigate to Customer Match. This is a powerful feature that allows you to use data from your CRM system to reach your existing customers more effectively. By leveraging Customer Match, you can create bespoke audiences based on your customer lists, allowing for targeted ads that speak directly to the needs and interests of your audience. This strategy is integral for boosting conversion rates and maximizing ROI. Next, navigate to Smart Bidding and Optimized Targeting. Smart Bidding is an automated bidding strategy that uses machine learning to optimize for conversions or conversion value in every auction, a feature called Auction Time Bidding. This technology helps you take full advantage of targeting capabilities, zeroing in on potential customers more accurately than was previously possible. This way your bids are adjusted to ensure they're as efficient as possible, maximizing the chances of achieving your desired outcomes. As you follow these steps, remember that optimization is an ongoing process. Constant evaluation and tweaking of your campaigns will help you adapt to changing market trends and consumer behaviors. Use the data insights available to you and don't be afraid to make adjustments when necessary. And there you have it. With these strategies, you're well equipped to enhance your Google Ads campaigns and achieve impressive results. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more insightful tips.